What's up, my digital nomads? And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a unique app that will help you record your screencasting and screen recordings a lot quicker, because you won't have to edit as much. And that app is called Blur Web App. Now, this is a very unique app in that it's the only app that I found on the market that basically blurs sensitive information as you're doing your tutorials or you're doing a screencasting while you're recording or before you're recording. Okay, so what does that mean, and why do you need it? Well, it's important because if you ever had to do any video editing, you would know that once you record your video and then you have to go back in and use the video editing tool to blur out the sensitive information, and then you have to go ahead and export the video file. It takes quite a long time, whether you're using the native YouTube video editor and blurring it that way, or you're using your own video software that you've installed and purchased. It just takes a lot of time and resources. So in order to speed things up on the front end, all you would have to do is just install this app or purchase this app, install it, and what it does is it automatically blurs the sensitive information that you designate, and that way, while you're recording your tutorial screencasting, you can just publish it directly, right? So it saves you tons of time. And let me just go through where you can get it right here. Right here are the key points. It's an extension that's basically used to blur sensitive information with a click. You can hide tabs. You can create worry-free content videos and blur out sensitive information while you're doing your screencasting, and basically live videos as well. And this is basically good for YouTube content creators, but specifically for those who are doing tutorials. And I want to be very clear with that. So if you're doing tutorials like I am, software tutorials, or you're doing maybe like online marketing and you're showing some kind of resources or websites, stuff like that, then this is great for you. As well, if you're doing any something similar to that while using these software right here, then this is great as well. Or if you're doing remote work. All right, so right here it's on sale. Normally it's $28, and I can attest to this. This is not like a fake sale. Most of the year it is $28, but luckily, because there's some kind of promotion going on with AppSumo, I'm gonna send you the link. It's down so you can get it for $17, and that's a steal. And this is another thing I like about it. It's a lifetime deal, so you don't have to purchase it month by month. You just go ahead, and once you purchase it, you go ahead and then you can do the quick tutorial and then go ahead and use it. It has quite a lot of reviews that are 5 stars. And it's affordable. $17. It's a few, maybe 1 or 2 coffees, and you're good to go. So let me go ahead and purchase this, and you can see what's on the inside real quick. Okay, so basically from there, you would have to go to the Blur Web app, or you can go to Chrome extension right here. You can just simply install it, and then once you install it, you can go ahead and enter your code inside by double clicking the extension. I'm going to enter my code in here. I want to pause it real quick. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and enter my code in, and then click on activate. All right, then I'm going to go ahead and click my email. Okay, so once you've entered everything and installed, we entered the code in, entered your email, and activated everything, this is what you're going to be brought up to. So this is the turn off your click to blur. All right, so basically, if you don't want to blur something, let's say I want to blur this, I just click it and it becomes blurred, right? And I click it again to unblur it. If I don't want that, I just simply toggle this off so I can click stuff without having to worry about it being blurred. And then you have the hide the tab title. All right, so I can hide this. All right, I can blur selected text. All right, so I just basically click on this. All right, click on hide selected text. I like to basically click to blur, but you can also do it like this. Okay. Let's see, close toolbar, blur, you did what's okay. So basically, if you close it, the anything that you blur will stay, and then you can clear all. Let's see, what is this? Blur. You can blur an area. You can also do, let's see, you can stop autocomplete, and let's see, click to persist blur, and you can also save the settings. All right, so let's say, for example, how would I use this? Let's say, for example, I'm about to show a tutorial, and this is my web email right here, and it's sensitive information. I just simply toggle this, click here, and it becomes blurred. And hold on real quick, it just asks me for a key. Let me go ahead and enter that in real quick. Okay, so I just re-entered the code once again, and let's go back to another example. So let's say I want to, I want to blur this area here. I simply click on the extension. The toolbar will pop up, and I quickly go ahead and see which item I want to blur. Let's say if it's just this is my email, I just go ahead and click this and it's blurred. But let's say it is let's say it's an area, all right? So I can just click this, drag this area here, and the whole area is blurred. It could be a video, it could be anything, all right? And once, let's say I don't want it anymore, I can go ahead and delete this. Okay. Same with this. Oops. Same with this. All right. So, and that's it. It's easy as that. All you have to do is just blur out any information that you don't want anyone to see, and you simply go ahead and start recording your screencasting. You save it, and then next time you're on anything, you can go ahead and pre-blur it while you're recording, so you don't have to worry about doing any kind of video editing later. All right, so I hope this video was helpful. For right now, I'll leave a link so you can get the discount below. Now, full disclosure, if you happen to buy it through my link, then I get a small commission. It doesn't cost you anything. Right? It's going to cost the same no matter whether you buy it directly or whether you buy it through my link. I just get a small commission, and it really helps out this channel. So if you found this video helpful, could you please hit the like button? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.